What's up, online shoppers? I want to show you two patio sets that are absolutely attracting a ton of attention right now. Two similar styles, but they do have some unique features. So this one here that I'm sitting in is absolutely so comfortable. It's got this really nice kind of a boxy fit to it. I can even sit in here with my legs crossed, which I absolutely love to do, and I appreciate the space of this patio set. Another cool thing about it is it has a pull-out stool. Now the stool does stow conveniently underneath here, which I think is fantastic because you have the option of reclining with your legs out or tucking it in and just sitting in it really nice. Of course, the other super attractive feature there is that it actually adds additional seating because you can pull one of those little stools out and they are designed to hold enough weight that a person could sit on them. Super cute little tempered glass table, and I love that the tempered glass on this one is like a smoky color. Kind of goes along with the color of this. Now you can get this in a couple different colors. It comes in gray, it comes in brown. Now if we're looking at this one right here, I absolutely love it as well. It is a little bit different. For one, you don't have as many seating options with it. Simply the chairs and the tempered glass table. A lot of different options for color. It has red, blue, gray, black, so you can pick one that matches your patio decor. Now both of these come in a box and you're going to have to spend some time putting them together. They both took similar amount of time, although this one here did take more because you're also putting together the little stools that go underneath the chair. Now what I love about these ones is they are super lightweight to pick up. And I think that the footprint of these makes them really well suited to somebody that has a smaller patio or balcony. I've even seen people that I know purchase this set to use in their trailers because they don't take a lot of space to stow, and they do add a really nice intimate little conversation area on the awning right next to their trailer. I also really love that the cushions on both of these sets are removable. You can actually take the cushions right out and wash the covers, which is another really convenient thing. The cushions themselves are made of a really nice weather-resistant fabric. They do make sitting on them really nice and comfortable. I should probably mention that this set here also does come with some really nice, cozy, comfy back cushions that make sitting on the chair even more comfortable. But depending on the style of fit that you like, you might actually like sitting on it either like this or like the other one with no back cushion. Either way you look at it, these patio sets are absolutely an essential for summer entertaining. This one here is a smaller footprint, quite light, works on a smaller, more confined space. These ones here have the option to pull out the stool so that you can rest comfortably, but they do also serve that extra seating option. Either way you go with it, these are definitely two fantastic options for patio sets for summertime. They are definitely upping my entertainment factor and a family favorite at our house.